Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. How's my sound? Thanks to the wireless lavalier microphone. It's nice and clear. I'm very soft-spoken and I also live in a basement apartment with lots of noise above me, but this microphone has helped to enhance the quality of my recordings on my iPhone. It even helps to reduce background noises if you're in a noisy area that you just can't control. So even with the ocean and the wind in the background, this microphone gives nice, clear audio. I love that it has its own carrying case with the 2 lapel microphones and the 1 receiver. The case also shows the battery charge, so I can tell if it needs charging. And when it's plugged in, it charges both microphones at the same time and lets you know where the charge level is. Using the wireless lavalier microphone has given me confidence when making recordings. I have less retakes because of unexpected noises, and I get nice, clear sound. And that's my point of view.